In this video, I'm going to show you how to wrap text around an image in Mailchimp, step by step, so you can create cleaner, more polished landing pages and email-style layouts without wasting time guessing where everything goes. This is a simple trick, but it makes a big difference when you want your design to look more professional and easier to read. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Mailchimp tips, marketing tutorials, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Mailchimp account and open the landing page you want to edit. In this example, we're going to the landing page design area where the content blocks are already available. Once you're inside the editor, look at the panel on the right side of the screen. This is where Mailchimp keeps the blocks you can drag into your page layout. Now, to create the wrapped text effect, you need to add both an image block and a text block into the page. So from the right side blocks, drag and drop the image plus text box into the section where you want the layout to appear. This is the key part, because Mailchimp doesn't always give you a true wrap text button, the way some document editors do. Instead, you build the effect by placing the image and text together in the right structure. After adding the block, click on Browse to choose your image. Mailchimp will open the file picker or media library, depending on how your account is set up. From here, select the image you want to use. Make sure the image is clear, properly sized, and relevant to the message you're sharing. Once you've selected it, click Insert to place the image into the layout. Next, click inside the text area below or beside the image, depending on the block arrangement you chose. Type your content into the text section. You can add your headline, body copy, or supporting text here. If you want the text to appear more naturally around the image, keep the wording concise and make sure the image size leaves enough room for readable text. A smaller image often works better if you're trying to create that wrapped look. Take a moment to preview the spacing. If the text feels too close to the image, adjust the block settings or resize the image until it looks balanced. The goal is to make the page feel intentional and easy to scan. In Mailchimp, a clean layout matters just as much as the text itself, especially on landing pages where you want users to focus on one clear action. Once you're happy with the design, review everything. One more time, check the image placement, spacing, text readability, and overall flow of the section. If something looks off, you can always click back into the block and refine it before publishing. These small adjustments can make your content look much more polished. When everything looks good, click Save and Exit. That saves your changes and brings you out of the editor safely. And that's it. You've now learned how to wrap text around an image in Mailchimp using the landing page editor. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.